guys, today I'm going to share with you my vada pav sandwich recipe. The filling for the sandwiches are almost same as how I make the vada pavs. So in the vada pavs I add another peanut chutney, but these sandwiches are going to be super simple. I'm going to just use one chutney and lots of cheese, and I'm going to toast this with butter. So it's going to be really yummy. It's a nice take on the sandwich idea if you're bored with the regular potato sandwich. So I hope you like this recipe and I really encourage you to try this. Let's get started. So when the pan is nice and hot, I'm adding some butter and little bit of oil. Now I'm adding few mustard seeds. Now that the mustard seeds are crackling, I'm taking some curry leaves and roughly tearing them from my hands and dropping them in the oil. Now I've made a paste of 3 green chilies, 1 big garlic clove and an inch of ginger, and I'm going to drop that in the oil as well. Cook this for a minute, adding some hing powder. Now I'm adding 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and salt to taste, and mixing this till the mixture forms one mass and it does not stick to the pan anymore. You can check for salt at this point, and that's it. Our vada pav mixture is ready for the sandwiches. For the green chutney, I'm taking 1 bunch of coriander leaves, few mint leaves, 1 garlic clove, 1 whole jalapeno cut, some lime juice, some salt to taste, and some cumin powder. Grind everything to a fine paste. You can add a little bit of water to help you grind the mixture. And your green chutney is ready. To layer the sandwiches, I'm adding green chutney, potatoes, and some cheese. To toast these sandwiches, I'm adding a little bit of butter and toasting the bread on both the sides till it's golden and till the cheese melts nicely. That crunch is everything. The sandwich not only looks good but tastes delicious. You can serve this with tomato ketchup, or honestly, it tastes good just by itself. I really hope you try this and like this recipe. If you do, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.